Indian Institute of Packaging is an autonomous institute and allied industry of packaging under the Ministry of Commerce, Government of India, which aim is to improve the packaging standard of our country and make use of art, science, technology and engineering in the field of packaging. The main focus of institute is to promote the export market by way of innovative package design and also upgrade the packaging standard at national level. We also provide activities such as testing of packaging material and packages, training and education, research and development as well as consultancy services related of packaging. Boutique shawls origin can be traced 1940s from Kulu in Himachal Pradesh. These shawls are also known as Kulu shawls. These shawls are an example of handloom which are trendy, fashionable, yet aesthetic state of the art. In 1944, a group of 12 weavers set up a cooperative society in the beautiful valleys of the Himalayas. This society aimed to encouraging the handloom weaving. It was named as Boutique Society, and in present times Boutique Society is known for their shawl handloom. Such handlooms needs a lot of care to minimize the damage of the products from the environment as well as insects like silverfish which can harm the natural fibers like wool and cotton. Therefore, Indian Institute of Packaging ensures that you get what you order. Hence, we work hard to make packaging that is absolutely harmless for the handloom and enhance the beauty of the shawls packed inside. To ensure that the product packed reach safely to the customers, as we follow the following steps before even packing the items. Concept generation. At this stage, the measurement like length, breadth, height are measured precisely so as to develop a soft model with the help of a software. Sketches and doodling. At this step, the ideas are being given shape in the form of a doodle or rough sketches until desired design is obtained. 3D modeling. With the right cardboard and paperboard package is created, material to make the box has to soft enough to fold it and shape, and strong enough to be able to take the weight of the product kept inside. Window on the packages. Sometimes window with a film are made for the customers to see through the package that what's inside the box. Drawing the design. Ultimately, once the graphics on the package are finalized and so is the package design, then the paperboard is folded and cut accordingly. Packages made for boutique shawls are made with a great care and accuracy, and at the Indian Institute of Packaging, each package designing is done with the adequate research and knowledge of the product and the material used for packaging. Also, we ensure that neither human life nor environment is harmed in any way through our product and packages.